Hi guys, a finger hole handle of this scissor is broken. This finger hole handle I collected from another broken scissor. Today I will show you how to repair it in this video. I will show you how to replace this finger hole handle. I open the top cover of the fulcrum. Now the fulcrum is being opened with the pin. The two parts of the scissor are separated. Mark it and cut it along. Scissor's plastic cover was opened with a little pressure. The finger hole handle is placed in the correct position. Now these two parts are being well welded. The two parts are properly welded. Now it is being cleaned. Fulcrum lock is placed to hold the two parts together. The round bottom of the hammer was placed on one side and lightly struck from above. Now replacing all the covers again. I used super glue to stick it on. Scissor is now as useful as ever. Now let's check. Wow, great! It is very useful for cutting everything. Hope today's video will be useful for you. Please comment whether you like or not. And because it will benefit others, you can like and share. We are working for each other. Good luck.